Good afternoon, and welcome to another edition of Commodity View Tips and Tricks. Today we're going to take a look at how to create a new page, Workspace in Commodity View, and how to add quotes, charts, and some other displays to that new page. To start with, just click on the plus sign down on the bottom by all of your other page tabs, and give your new workspace a name. We'll just say quotes and charts, and save. And you'll see it starts out with a new blank workspace. Add a quote board to that workspace, just click on quote. You can use one of our existing templates, so let's add a grains page. And maybe we'll add a livestock page and an energy page. Okay, so now we have 3 quote boards. Let's also create a custom quote board. I'm going to hit the plus sign again. I'm going to go to quote, and I'm going to hit custom. And here we're going to add some of our own quotes. So we're going to go ZC for corn. We're going to go hashtag 10, and we'll get 10 corn contracts. I'm going to get prompt month or nearby soybean contracts. We're going to go ZS star 0. That's always going to give us the most active contract. Star 1 will give us always the nearby. Star 2 is going to give us the second month, and star 3 the third month. And then let's maybe add some wheat to this. We'll go ZW for Chicago Board of Trade wheat, and we'll go hashtag 8 for 8 contracts. So once you have your quote board started like that, now you can dress it up a little bit. We'll right click on the first row. We'll hit insert row separator, and we'll call these contracts corn. Come down to the soybean, right click, insert a row separator, call those soybeans. And finally, we'll do the same thing for wheat. Okay, now we have our quote boards set up, our custom quote board in particular. Let's go ahead and add a chart. I'm going to hit the plus sign, or I can go up to the menu. I'm going to start with the plus sign. I'm going to go to chart, and we'll just select a standard chart. Now that created that chart as another tab in my workspace. I'm going to left click and move that tab so that I can have the quote board and the chart side by side like so. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to link these two displays together. And to do that, I simply come up to the chain link icon. I can pick any color. If it's grayed out, it's not linked. So let's go ahead and pick orange, and I'll pick orange on my chart. And now you can see that those two displays are linked together. So if I click on a soybean contract, I'm going to get a soybean chart. Click on wheat, I'm going to get a wheat chart. We can do the same thing with more displays. So let's go ahead and add maybe an options display. We'll do an options chain. I'm going to place that down below my chart. So I'll drag it down to the bottom. And I'm going to again change the icon to orange. And again, those displays will be linked. And that's how you start creating a new workspace within Commodity View with quotes, charts, options, and of course you can add other displays to this as well. Thanks again, and be on the lookout for the next edition of Commodity View Tips and Tricks.